Okay, so I wrote a very short program here. So I'm going to start with the number 3. I'm going to go 100 trials. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at A when I multiply by 3. 3 times A.
Yeah.
So the first one would be 3 squared, 3 cubed, and then 3 cubed. And then I'm going to look at mod 100 here. So it's going to give me the last 2 digits.
Mm-hmm.
And instead of printing them all out, I'm just going to say whenever that is 1, let me know when that is.
So whenever 3 times A.
Well, A, remember, A is 3 times, it's going to be, first it's going to be, well, you tell me, what is A going to be on the first step here?
So A is going to be...
Or what does A start at?
A starts at 3 mod 100.
Which is?
3.
Okay. A really just starts at 3. So in the beginning I say let A equal 3. And what's the first thing I do? What's the next thing A becomes?
So you set A equal to 3 squared. So 9.
Not quite.
So you say A is 9 mod 100.
A is 9 mod 100.
Okay.
Which is?
9.
Okay. And then...
And whenever A... You keep doing that with the powers of 3.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever A is 1 mod 100, then you want to know.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm doing here is looking at the last 2 digits.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry, I tried to evaluate and I wasn't in the screen. So I'm doing this for 100 trials. Okay, so it looks like it turns out that what power of 3 ends in 1 mod 100?
So it looks like the 3 is 3 to the multiples of 20.
So 3 to the 20th turns out to be
01.
401. Yeah, I can't tell if that's on the screen or not, but it's my finger. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So 3 to the 20th. Okay. So now we have to figure out what those power towers of 3 are mod 20. So that's going to be slightly more difficult. 3 to the 3 is 27. Well, 3 to the 3, the power, that's 3 mod 20. The power is 3 mod 20. Then 3 to the 3, 3 to the 3 to the 3, so the power is now 3 to the 3, so that's 7 mod 20. Do we have any way of evaluating those powers mod 20? And then if we could, we would then be able to figure out what the last digits were. Last 2 digits were, because if we knew that those power towers are all settled down mod 20, we could we would know by basically the same argument as before.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. I don't know what the answer is going to be here if we can solve this pretty easily, but let's see if we can.
All right.